Hello everyone, welcome to our next video of Nutritious. So we are gonna choose some practical drink which is beneficial for your overall health from top to bottom. Here are the beneficial of some ingredients. Let's get into it. So for this preparation of this drink, which is very beneficial for your good health and intestine digestion, and also for your skin and your hair improvement properties. So for this preparation, you need a lukewarm water in a container. Put all the ingredients together and give it a good mix. After giving a good mix, you need to set it for about 2 hours, and after 2 hours, it's ready to drink. You can drink it early morning, before breakfast, before lunch, and it is very beneficial for the food absorption water. Let's say the benefits: it is a detox as well as belly slimmer and fat slimmer, help in weight loss, and also rich in antioxidants, which is very beneficial. And after up to 2 hours, you can store in the refrigerator and drink it. And let me know in the comment section after you use. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.